apple chili jam today.
Chilies to go with that apple jam.
Looks beautiful, huh?
Look at that. Let's try it. You say it's not ready, eh? It is ready. It's good to go. Let's have it now. Oh, let's move on. Let's make the pumpkin now. There are chilies. I saw them. I saw evidence of chilies on the counter. And it doesn't need sugar.
No, I already did. I just put it. It needs a little bit of sugar. How is it? Good?
Excellent.
Yummy! Smells so good. Super delicious and super simple.
So this is the cooked one. Try this. That's so nice. And a little bit of heat in it really makes it different. It adds another dimension that you usually don't find in apple jam.
It's not spicy, eh?
No. And here's some apple cake to go with it.
It's not a cake.
Apple bread. Let me try this together. No need for icing. That goes so well together. All of the nuts. That's a really good jam. Not too sweet. It's like, this is the type of thing that you really can't buy. You gotta make it for yourself.
There's nuts in the jam? I don't think so.
In the apple bread.
Okay,
So, apple jam. Third try. What's great about this apple jam is that it's not too sweet. It's like apple au naturel. Along with this nice chili bite that goes with it. It's really enhances the flavor. Kind of like when you put chili inside a chocolate bar. It's great.